going on? So last night I worked pretty late into the night last night digging out an old wall we had right here by my greenhouse, my old greenhouse. Little backstory: a little bit ago, a week ago or so, I picked up two old retired billboards. They're 48 feet long by 14 feet, I believe. Anyways, I got like 5 of them. I'm gonna put them over this old greenhouse. A couple reasons why. Main reason is I want some cover for this winter for like my trailers and stuff, but I don't want to go out and spend thousands of dollars on building a shed and then get taxed on that shed, that kind of stuff. So this is going to be like a portable building kind of deal. I don't use the greenhouse anymore. I don't want to take it down. It's in pretty decent shape, but I don't want to put steel on it because that's a couple $1,000s these days. So last night I went ahead and dug this area out. It's supposed to rain this afternoon quite a bit. It's December and it's like 50, 60 degrees right now. It's crazy. This weather is absolutely crazy. But anyways, I got that dug last night. I actually ordered some of them concrete Lego blocks, the waste blocks. So I got like 20 of them coming next week, but I had to get this area dug out while I had the machine and get it prepped basically because I want to get a basin here. But it's supposed to rain this afternoon. And before it does that, I want to get all of this muddy, trashy junk out of here because if I don't, it's going to end up right in there if I don't do it right now. So anyways, I'm going to get you set up on the time lapse, get that stuff hauled out of here. I'm not going to do too much videoing of it because I got to get it done before this weather gets here. So that's it. Go ahead and get this going. So let's do it. as you can see here, I'm chipping away at actually a tree root that grew up around one of the posts on this greenhouse. And as I chip away at it, I'm getting a piece here and there. And what I didn't realize is that I'm actually moving the whole structure quite a bit. And as you'll see here in a second, I actually ripped the whole post out, and regret messing with it as hard as I was. But that's part of it. We'll just fix it and keep going. It's pretty close to where I want it to be. I'll probably get one more yard of material or so to kind of put a dusting on to kind of fix any high and low spots as I get the block, but I'll probably wait to do that until I go to set the actual blocks. So anyways, that's probably going to do it for this episode. Thanks for sticking around. This is going to be part 1 of this video. Part 2 will probably be me putting the blocks in, because I don't have them right now, and it's going to be a little while until I get them. So I'll give time for this base to set up. But anyways, please like and subscribe for more. Really does the channel a whole lot when you guys hit that like button, so don't forget to smash that for me. Until next time, stick around until part 2 comes out. When it does come out, I'll go ahead and put it right here if this is later on in the future you're watching this. But anyways, guys, till then, stick around, and we'll see you next time.